to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're going to be chatting about volunteering in a charity shop, my experience. I've been there for about a month and I thought I would just share that with you guys. I feel like it's something you guys would be nosy about. First off, I'm just going to say I've just cleaned my spray tan tent because I did spray tan this morning, so my hands are like bright orange. I look really dirty. They're not dirty, it's just tan, and I didn't wear gloves when I was cleaning my tent, so that was my own fault. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So, for those of you who don't know, I'm Amy and I own a beauty studio, which is where I am now. And although I love this, I love it to death, I wanted to start volunteering in kind of the times where I'm a little bit quieter. Obviously, with the cost of living at the moment, kind of the business has got a bit slower, and that's fine. That's just the way business is. But with this extra free time, I thought, what should I do? I didn't just kind of want to sit around and do nothing. I wanted to keep busy. I found that when I wasn't working, I ended up just going shopping, and that's not good. And I thought, let's fill my time up with something productive and something that potentially could be a career path in the future. And plus, it's interesting. I know you guys would be interested to hear about it. I'm interested in seeing what people donate, so I thought I would volunteer. So in terms of actually getting the job, I'm going to set this out in case and just say what I had to do. And then obviously if you're looking to kind of get a position in a charity shop, these are the steps you could follow as well. So I actually just went online and went on all of my local charity shops websites and then just applied online. You can obviously just go in and hand your CV, and I did that in a couple, but I didn't hear anything back. So I'm not going to lie, although they all ask volunteers all the time, I actually only had a couple get back to me. They all wanted references. You had to fill out quite a long application online. So yeah, I did that for lots, and since got back to me, and that is where I ended up working. A lot of them, when you applied, they asked for kind of what sort of days you could work, and I said I was looking, could be really flexible, but I was looking to work a couple of days for a couple of hours. So I'm doing Tuesday and Wednesday, 12 till 4 at the moment, and that's all I'm doing. I love it. Obviously I can be super flexible with the business, so if they need me there more, I can do. But for now, that's what I'm working, and I'm finding that's working really, really well for me. It means that the beauty business, Simply Vibrant, is still my main priority, but it's a nice thing to do on the side. And I feel like this is perfect for any of you guys out there that work part-time. Maybe you do own your own business and just feel like you've got a little bit too much spare time and you want to be doing something fun and you're interested in sustainable fashion. This is such an amazing thing to do and I love it. So I've worked there for about a month and I've learned a couple of tips and tricks. So I thought I'd let you guys know that. First off, if you are an avid charity shopper or just shopper in general, one of the things that's definitely cut down timings on doing the jobs there is knowing what size corresponds to like what colour tag. Obviously a lot of the time I'm there, I'm kind of sorting through all the stock, putting on hangers, getting ready for people to come and shop. So knowing what colour each size tag is makes it so much easier. So if you're a regular shopper anyway, you probably know, or at least you'll know your colours. Like for instance, a size 10 is an orange tag, and yeah, you kind of learn that quite easily, and that's a really good thing to learn quickly. And once you get that under your belt, it takes you so much shorter time to finish any task in terms of hanging. Another thing I wanted to let you guys know on, because I don't really feel like people know this, and I didn't really know this, and I have noticed it when I'm shopping now, but for those of you who are a size 4 out there, like my sister, quite often they don't actually have the little cube tags in a size 4. At least in Sense, we don't. We go down to a 6 in them, but we don't have a size 4 tag. So anything that is a size 4 that we get in will go on like an extra small hanger, an extra small hanger, maybe even a size 6 hanger. So definitely check the inside tag. And to be honest, that goes for all sizing. And if you can try it on, definitely do. A lot of the clothes, I'd literally say maybe 20% of the clothes we get donated don't have a label on in terms of sizing. So we either measure up the clothes, look at it, hold it up against something else, and kind of have a guess on what it is, maybe small, medium, or large, for instance. But definitely if there is a place for you to try on your clothes, definitely try them on, because a lot of the time the clothes we get donated doesn't have a size on, or it also could have been shrunk or stretched in the wash, which is what I've been saying in my hauls for ages. But definitely try on your clothes, and that is the best way to know if they're going to fit or not, because some things don't come in sizes, and obviously then some things have been shrunk or some things have been stretched. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And if you are a size 4, don't be disheartened in shopping in charity shops. Just maybe look at the extra smalls, the extra smalls, and the size 6s, because it may be put on one of them hangers instead. So definitely check out that. Another thing, which I don't know if it's Sense exclusive or if it's literally just our store or if it's all stores, is we have plastic hangers for the majority of our clothes, but things that are a nicer brand or new tags goes on a wooden hanger. This is something that as a shopper I didn't really notice, and I'm not quite sure why I didn't clock onto this, because it makes so much sense now you know it. So if you are someone that is looking for a designer brand and looking for something new, then definitely seek out them wooden hangers, and they're probably going to be where you find gold. A lot of people have been coming in and saying about the prices on clothes, but things that are new with tags genuinely just get kind of half price put on what the retail price says. And obviously, like, a charity shop has still got to be earning money. We've still got goals to hit from overheads, so the charity shops might be getting more expensive. But don't worry, if you're still looking for that cheap item, the cheaper brands will be priced as that. It's just when people are kind of complaining about the prices, they're quite often complaining about a thing that's like a really lovely brand, and of course we're going to price it up because it's worth that money. So just bearing in mind that the clothing range of like prices is going to be so massive, and just check the price tags and kind of set a goal in your head of what you're willing or not willing to spend. And just bear in mind that obviously the charity has got to try and earn the money somehow, so of course that the money is going to go up and down kind of with the world at the moment. So just check the price tags and check the brand as well, because although I never really care about a brand, that might be a reason why a top that you think might be worth £5 is worth £15. It might just be a really lovely brand, and of course then you're going to price it up because it's worth that much money. And obviously if you brought that retail, it still would have been so much more expensive, so definitely bear that in mind. So in terms of actually volunteering, my roles at the moment are kind of just working on the till, tidying up the shop floor, sorting out bric-a-brac. Kind of the main thing I do is end up walking around and checking everything's on their hangers, and oh my gosh, the amount of stuff that falls on the floor is so irritating. So if you are shopping in a charity shop and an item falls off, please put it back on the hanger. And also just look at the direction that the clothes are hanging on. For instance, all of the clothes in Sense all face one way on the rail. It just makes it easier for you to scroll through. So if you've tried on an item and you're putting it back, or if something's fallen on the floor, just put it back in the same way it was on there before. And if you need help, just look at where it's hung on the rail. Also, if you knock something off, give it back to a member of staff and say, oh sorry, I've knocked this off, I don't know which way you want me to put it back on, and I'd respect that so much more than just kind of chucked on top. So definitely do that. Be considerate of the shop workers as well. A lot of them are volunteers, so a lot of them are doing it for free. So just be kind and nice to volunteers, and that always helps. A lot of people haggle with the items, which I'm not quite sure why. It is a charity, but then here we are. But things that have just been put out on the floor, you're probably not going to get a discount on, and 98% of the time you're not going to get a discount on it. So maybe just look for something cheaper, because you're probably not going to get a discount on it because it's a charity shop, not a boot sale. One of the other roles I have is sorting through the stock in the back, and I wanted to touch on this lightly just because we get donated such a range of things. We get donated gorgeous. We had 3 Lipsy dresses in one bag the other day, all new with tags. They were gorgeous. The dress sold. I've been putting it on all of my what I love in Sense at the moment because it is so gorgeous, but it has gone now. But just bear in mind what you are donating. If it's like dirty underwear, it's just gonna get put in the bin, and it would save us a lot of time if you just put it in the bin. Dirty underwear that is manky, clothes with loads and loads of stains on, anything that you wouldn't kind of give someone to wear, maybe don't donate. But if you do donate, it's just going to go to rag, which gets recycled, and it still earns charity money. So dirty underwear is going to go in the bin, but if it's a top that maybe is a little bit worse to wear, you can still donate that, and that will get sent off to a recycling centre, but they'll sort through it all. And yeah, so if you have tops you're umming and ahhing whether to donate or not, put it in the bag. As long as it's not actively dirty, then just put it in the bag and we will sort it out. And also quite a lot of the things that you don't think will sell do sell, so definitely donate kind of whatever you think. Just if there's any dirty underwear, dirty socks, then just put them in the bin. We don't want them as much as you don't want them. But yeah, I feel like that is the rundown. I just thought I'd let you know how I'm enjoying it as well. I literally love it. It is super tiring. So if you are someone that finds any kind of physical work quite hard, then it might not be for you, or maybe just ask for a role that's a little bit more gentle and just explain that on the start, because oh my gosh, my feet kill me by the end of it. I don't know if it's because I'm used to working, sitting down, doing nails and things like that. I'm not used to being on my feet for solid kind of 4-hour chunks, but oh my gosh, my feet kill by the end of the day. But it's so fun, it's so rewarding. I love looking through what people donate. The other volunteers are lovely and I really am enjoying it. I am doing lots of TikToks and reels for them, so definitely check out my Instagram because I post most of them on there, but also check out Sense's TikTok. They haven't got an Instagram at the moment. Working on that. I think we do need to get an Instagram because Instagram's great. But yes, definitely check out the Sense Billericay TikTok. We have got a tea party which is happening, which I believe would have happened before this goes live. But if you are ever interested in the other events we do, then definitely check out the Facebook page because that's the majority of the information goes straight on there. But yeah, if you are contemplating volunteering in a charity shop, definitely go for it. You have first pick of the stock as well. That is a main key. First pick of the stock. I actually have only brought, I think, 4 things in the whole time I'm working there, which is pretty good, I think. I got a dress, I got some shoes, I got a jumper, and then I got a game. So it's definitely great because you can have first pick and kind of look through the stock. But to be honest, the majority of it I don't buy. I am very good. I'm trying to show restraint. I actually honestly think it is giving me more restraint in my shopping addiction anyway, because I'm around clothes all the time and I'm managing to like not buy it all. But oh my gosh, you get such lovely pieces. The work is lovely and I really enjoy it. Another thing, I keep on saying this at the end of the video and then keep on talking, but the window displays are one of my favourite jobs. The first day I was there, I did the window display and it was so fun. And we're working on a sparkly window display at the moment, which is super exciting and I'm really excited for it. But yeah, decorating the window, there's so many jobs within your role and I really enjoy that because it keeps it nice and fresh. So if you are contemplating it, definitely do it. Even if you've got kind of a 6-week holiday, summer, or if you've just got some spare time, then it's really rewarding and I really enjoy it and I recommend everyone do it. And if you can't volunteer, definitely go and shop in the charity shops. And if you're in Billericay and are going charity shopping between 12 till 4 Tuesday and Wednesday, definitely come and find me because I will be there. And I can show you around the shop, show you all my favourite pieces at the moment. I absolutely love it. But that is where I'm going to end this video, and I actually am going to end it now. Comment if you have ever been in a charity shop. Have you ever volunteered there? What did you find? And subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.